So what can I say? It's another bad week, guys. It's another bloody red week. This is your boy Andres, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my M1 finance portfolio called the Money Maker. So this week, we're not looking so good. As you guys can see, I'm way under 12K now. So it's pretty much a down week this week. Before I go through my stocks, if you guys can ruthlessly hit that like button until it turns blue. All right, here we go. We're gonna change this to week, and then you will see magic. All this green will turn into red. Voila. Oh, by the way, this week I deposited $300. I actually deposited $300 this morning, which is good. It was a good timing because everything is down. So I got all my stocks for a cheaper price. As you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. Oh, by the way, as you guys can see, I only have 4 slices now. I actually stopped investing in the finance sector and I sold my Visa stock in the beginning of the week just because in my no dividend, I have my Square stock, which counts as a financial technology stock. We're gonna go to my technology first, which is now 38%. This used to be 35%. Alright, for this week, NVIDIA, I lost $105.66, which is down 7.74%. Microsoft, I lost $73.35, which is down 6.34%. So Microsoft, it went up for a bit Tuesday before the earnings, but then after the earnings, it just suddenly crashed. Apple, I lost $56.19, which is down 5.41%. Skyworks, I lost $53.19, which is down 5.33%. So as you guys can see, it's all red. My biggest loser is NVIDIA, which is down 7.74%. So for my technology this week, I lost a whopping $288.39, which is down 6.33%. Now let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my pie. Procter & Gamble, I lost $26.32, which is down 3.68%. McDonald's, I lost $49.16, which is down 6.77%. My consumer this week, I lost $75.48, which is down 5.24%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 8% of my pie. Honeywell, I lost $57.32, which is down 5.88%. I did not earn any dividends. Whew. As you guys can see, it's been really bad this week, and this last slice is about to get worse. Now let's go to my no dividend, which is now 42% of my pie. Tesla, I lost a whopping $215.96, which is down 7.68%. Square, I lost $155.79, which is down 12.27%. Roku, I lost $95.98, which is down 9.67%. So for my no dividend this week, I lost a whopping $467.73, which is down 9.22%. But I don't feel as bad because look at this. My overall gain for my no dividend, I'm still winning $1,198.77. It is 92.04% return. So overall, even though it's bad this week, it's still killing it. Alright, so as you guys can see, my biggest loss is my no dividend, which is 9.22%. And yeah, it's just overall bad this week. But the good news is, yeah, I'm down, but I still deposited some money this week. That means I bought some shares for cheaper. Overall for this week, my moneymaker, I lost $904.35, which is down 7.50%. I did not earn any dividends. So almost a 1K loss. The market is pretty volatile right now. And since it's going down, I think this is the perfect time to buy more stocks. Buy the stocks while they are cheaper. And of course, do not sell the stocks. I know it's tempting when the market is going down. Don't be scared. Just keep buying. Just treat these stocks like they are on sale. So just keep buying more stocks. Because as long as you're holding solid stocks, they are going to go up and you will get more return in the future. So that's it for this week. Of course, keep investing and keep growing your wealth. I'll see you guys again.